Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In this video, I would like to show you this bounce from the support of the triangle that was previously working as a resistance of the triangle, now working as a support for the price line. And we'll also once again take a look at this falling wedge, and I would like to address this very big harmonic bullish reversal Cypher pattern as well that I have already shared in the month of January 2020 with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and let me just start with this harmonic Cypher pattern that I shared for my members at the Patreon, this trade setup on 23rd of January. You can see at that time it was just entered the buying zone, and I told my members that we have a very big hidden bullish divergence as the RSI was forming a lower than previous low and the price line forming a higher low, and we also had nice support of the 100 simple moving average, and the buying zone or the potential reversal zone was from $36,100 and goes to $28,800. And our sell targets, as per the harmonic Cypher patterns Fibonacci sequence, were from $46,300 and goes to $57,167. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see when I shared, at that time it was moving at $35,976. And within a few days, it rallied very well and rallied up to $48,189. That was the sell zone, because it was starting from $46,300. And after hitting this sell zone, it is again moving inside this buying zone. Now the question is that after this rally, is this bullish Cypher pattern is valid or not? In my point of view, this Cypher is still valid, because we have a very strong and critical support and key support, I have been telling you, at $28,600. And you can see whenever Bitcoin is testing this support, every time it is starting very big moves from here. Like back in January 2021, we tested this support. We had a very nice rally up to $64,800. We again tested this support here in June 2021. We had another rally up to $69,000, and recently we have again tested the support with a long spike up to $25,400, but did not break it down. And we also tested the support of the falling wedge pattern as well. Now here we have three supports. One is $28,600, the price level support. Another one is the support of this falling wedge pattern, and the third one is the potential reversal zone of this harmonic Cypher pattern that in itself works as a strong support. Now if I take you to my previous idea before this, because this was on the weekly time frame, and back when we had a very strong bearish trend in 2020, in March 2020, when we also had a COVID drop as well. This was the candlestick of March 2020 when it was dropped up to $3,850, and I in those days I have been telling my members, and also on the YouTube and on the different platforms as well, that this is a very big potential reversal zone of a harmonic Gartley, and from here we can expect very big move. And you can see that I shared my targets as per the Fibonacci sequence that was maximum going up to $12,070. But after playing this chart, we can see it was moving at $6,800, but it rallied even up to $69,000. That was very big move. Same as like that. Even though this time this pattern has been formed on the weekly time frame chart, and it is not as that much big pattern like we had back in 2020, but this move is very small for such a big harmonic Cypher pattern. So I am expecting that after this correction, after this rally and having some correction, the price line can start the next rally from here, and that can be bigger than the previous move that we have here. But we need to keep an eye on this support. This is really very strong support at $28,600, and also the support of this falling wedge pattern. And the real move will be started, a real bull run can be started when Bitcoin will break out this resistance of the falling wedge. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.